You doing a look to you from the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. This is one of my favorite high-end palettes. So with the blending brush, we're just going to take the transition color, and I'm going to put it all over my eye, so that it's like I'm setting my primer. I'm going to put this all over the eye, and then we'll move on to the next step. Next, we're going to take the Sokoto and we're going to put it in the crease with also the same brush, the blending brush. We're going to keep blending that out into the creases. I'm blending Jamila and Sokoto together. Sokoto and Jamila. Jamila is going to give a little bit of depth. Now I'm placing Kia. I think that's how you say it. Kia, K-I-A. I love this color. This is the blue shimmery color. It's almost like a midnight blue metallic color. I really love this color. I'm just going to keep tapping that on there. I like tapping it and patting it in there. It helps it stay in there for me. I'm going to use the Chad, and that's the black. And I'm going to just blend that out on the outer corners just to add it in so that there's no harsh lines. I'm going to use Sokoto and I'm going to dust it in the inner corners again just to touch up and so that the color stands out. I'm using a defined blending brush just so that I can get in the corners a little bit better, and then I'm also going to take the Wet n Wild blending brush again and go back in there and just kind of like dust it out. This is my favorite highlight palette. This is the Bad Habit palette. I got it off Hush. I will leave a link down below in the section so that you guys can figure out where to get it from. It's really my favorite palette. I'm just going to dust it on the top as a little highlight under the brow bone. This is the LA Colors Graffix eyeliner. I won this in a contest, so you're able to get this as well. You can find it at like your Family Dollar and stuff. It doesn't have to be really expensive eyeliners. Now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to put some color under the waterline. It's going to be the Sokoto. That's going to be the color that I'm going to use, and we're just going to apply that to the under and blend it together. Now that I'm done with the eyeshadow under the eye, I'm going to put mascara on. This is the Smashbox Full Exposure. I got this in an Ipsy bag, and I really like this one. Just going to use some Wet n Wild eyelashes. I get these from the Dollar Tree. I like these ones too because they're cheap, and I'm just going to throw them away after I'm done. And here's the finished product. I really like it.